That was very good. Now, Linda, ask another question about the receptionist.
Could I speak with the receptionist, please?
Good. One more for you, Alberto.
Could you tell me when the restaurant opens?
Very good. Now, Linda.
Could you tell me when the bus arrives?
Okay. The last one is for you, Sylvia.
Could you please tell me how I get to the beach?
Good one. Let's all go. Okay, would you like to look and listen now?
Look and listen.
Where is my room? Excuse me, could you tell me where my room is? Where can I leave my luggage? Can you tell me where I can leave my luggage?
Read and repeat.
When we ask a polite question, we need to be careful about which expressions we use. For example, can and could can be used to ask polite questions, but they can also be used to express ability. Let's look at these sentences. Can you drive a car? Can you help me, please? In the first sentence, I am asking about ability. The question means, do you know how to drive a car? In the second sentence, I am asking for help. Now look at this question to see if it's correct. Can you spell your name? What do you think, Alberto? Does it look okay?
I think it looks wrong because it looks like an ability question.
That's correct, okay. We can change the question by adding please to the end of the question. So we can say, can you spell your name, please, right? Or we can change the polite expression like this. Will you spell your name, please? So, can you spell your name, please? Or will you spell your name, please? Are more polite questions. Let's have a look at some more questions to see if they are ability or polite questions. Sylvia, what kind of question is this? Would you help me, please?
This is a polite question.
Yes, that's correct. Would you help me, please, is a polite question. We can see that it's polite because we are using would you and please. Very good. Okay, Linda, how about this one? What kind of question is this? Can you speak Japanese?
This is an ability question.
That's right. Speaking Japanese is a skill, so this must be an ability question. Can you speak Japanese? All right, we can usually understand what type of question we are asking when we look at the meaning of the question. Let's practice changing some normal questions into polite questions. Okay, Alberto, you go first. Can you change this question into a polite question? When does the restaurant open? Now we want a polite question, Alberto.
Excuse me, could you tell me when the restaurant opens?
Okay, could you tell me when the restaurant opens? So we have our direct question, when does the restaurant open? We change it to a very polite question by saying, could you tell me when the restaurant opens? All right, Linda, here's one for you. Please change this to a polite question. Where is the tourist office? Linda.
Do you know where the tourist office is?
Okay, do you know where the tourist office is? So, direct question is, where is the tourist office? Can be changed to a very polite question. Do you know where the tourist office is? Okay. Sylvia, what time does the bus leave? So now, Sylvia, you're going to change this direct question to a polite one.
Can you tell me what time the bus leaves, please?
Okay, can you tell me what time the bus leaves? So the direct question is, what time does the bus leave? Changes to a very polite question. Can you tell me what time the bus leaves, please? All right, good. You are all very polite. Thank you. Now let's practice by asking some polite questions. Sylvia, ask for some towels for your room.
Could I have some towels for my room, please?
Thanks, okay. Alberto, ask for your room key.
Can I have my room key, please?
Very good. Linda, can you ask a question about your luggage?
Okay, excuse me, could the porter take my luggage to my room, please?
That was very good.
Getting around.
When people stay at a hotel, they often need to ask questions about directions and geographic locations. This means asking how to find a place or a building. Now here are some useful words that helps people with directions. North, south, east, west, town center, beach, coast, tunnel, around, along, down, over, under, through, opposite. So let's repeat. North, south, east, west, town center, beach, coast, tunnel, around, along, down, over, under, through, and opposite. Here are some sentences using some of these words of direction. Take a look. When you leave the town center, go north for 3 kilometers. Drive through the tunnel and continue until you reach the beach. The rich people live on the west side of town. East is opposite